Hello and welcome back to Early Bird Philanthropy. Today we're focusing on a vital yet often overlooked topic: how to truly motivate and support your fundraising teams. Your fundraising team is your organisation's greatest asset. Their passion, dedication and energy drive your success. But keeping your team motivated isn't just about incentives or targets, it's about leadership, culture and clear communication. Start by fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Regular catch-ups, team meetings and brainstorming sessions encourage creativity, shared problem solving and trust. Pair or group tasks help build accountability and connection. Recognition matters. Celebrate your team's wins openly, whether through shout-outs in meetings, personal thank you notes, or organised social events. Visible and sincere appreciation lifts morale and reminds everyone their effort is noticed. Transparency is crucial. Share organisational updates honestly, especially during challenging times. Help your team focus on what's in their control and support their mental well-being. Encourage openness about stress or workload concerns. Listening is equally important. Be approachable for questions, feedback or ideas. And when your team feels trusted and empowered, their motivation and productivity naturally increase. Finally, invest in their growth. Offer training, professional development and opportunities to take on new challenges. People want to feel they're progressing and learning as part of the team. A motivated fundraising team reflects in your results. Their enthusiasm and commitment engage donors, create momentum and sustain your work over time. If you're looking for practical ideas on leadership and team support, please get in touch via our website. Subscribe to Early Bird Philanthropy for ongoing guidance designed specifically for fundraising leaders. Thanks for listening.